Hi guys, this is Amr Askar, the founder of Ask Orthodontics. I am an orthodontist from Egypt practicing orthodontics for more than 12 years. In the last 2 years, I joined Simple Ortho Group. It's a fantastic group. It's not only a group, it's like a family. I met them in Vienna last year, and in this year, we have prepared a special event for all orthodontists all over the world. It will be 3 days full of orthodontics and fun. 2, 3, and 4 of June 2020. I have 2 stops in this meeting. The first stop will be full-day hands-on workshop about mini screws, how to use it in their practice, how to apply, and how to insert, and the advanced uses of mini screws and tabs. And the second stop will be an important lecture about how to combine orthodontics and periodontics in daily practice, the perfect match between ortho, perio, which is first, ortho or perio. It will be 3 days, 2, 3, and 4 of June. I'd like to invite all of you for this special event in Portugal, 2, 3, 4. So let's ortho in Porto. See you.